Welcome to our channel. If you want to clear cache in Spotify to free up storage space or fix playback issues, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the Spotify app on your device. This process works on both mobile devices and desktop computers, though the exact menu locations may vary slightly. Step 2. Tap or click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen to access your account menu and settings options. Step 3. Select Settings or Settings and Privacy from the menu. This will take you to the main settings page where you can customize various aspects of the app. Step 4. Scroll down to find the Storage section. On mobile devices, this may be labeled as Storage or Other, while on desktop it might be under Offline Song Storage. Step 5. Look for the Clear Cache button or option. On mobile devices, you'll typically see a button that shows how much cache storage is being used by the app. Step 6. Tap or click on Clear Cache to remove temporary files that Spotify has stored on your device. This includes album artwork, song data, and other cached content. Step 7. Wait for the process to complete. Clearing cache may take a few moments depending on how much data has been accumulated. You should see a confirmation message when it's done. Step 8. Note that clearing cache won't delete your playlists, saved songs, or account settings. It only removes temporary files, and these will be rebuilt as you continue using the app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.